sanded, primed, no, sanded with 600 grit. Sorry, feel kind of, sounds kind of depressing right now, but in the aim for perfection. Sorry about these lights in here. It's tough. So there we go. Man, it's still even bright, but yeah. Found a dent right here. You guys can't see it on camera, but you know, it's right in here. So we gotta fix that. All little spots are done. That's where we at. Still gotta prime these. Gotta sand that so we can hit them all up. I ain't gonna lie. You can't pay me enough to do no more prep work. It ain't happening. Hey, we pay $50 an hour. No. Keep it. This shit tedious as hell. Alright. But hey, sorry no lunchtime video today. This weekend was a bust. I was down and out for the count. So, but hopefully this evening I'll either come back and show you guys paint on the car, or might be painting. We'll see. Do what?
You can show them tomorrow. You're painting it tomorrow.
Alright, but
I'm just priming it tonight.
I ain't got no video for today, so I gotta upload something.
Show them the bathroom or some shit. The bathroom is so cool.
He said show y'all the bathroom, so I'm gonna go show y'all the bathroom.
I'm showing the bathroom.
Melvin over here eating some good chicken. Do what?
You're gonna get unsubscribed in a minute.
You said show in the bathroom, right?
The unlike comment in the comment section.
I need an unlike in my life. I ain't got one yet. Hey, somebody leave an unlike. Hit that down, thumbs on button. Just Lance over here talking poop. Yeah, he talking mad shit. But hey, that's it for today, man.